Namaskar, dear teachers. It's my pleasure to come before you with the portfolio activity of Module 9. The portfolio activity given is: plan an activity for introducing any one of the following concepts and prepare a rubrics for self-assessment for children. Multiplication of integers, division of fractions, area of rectangle. Write any 3 recommendations of NCF 2005 related with mathematics education. Write any 3 vision statements for school mathematics as per NCF 2005. Out of these 3 questions, we can select any one of the topics. I have selected area of rectangle. Teacher's name, subject, school, topic. You can add UDICE code, etc. Let us now see the transactional strategies at primary level. There are 4 transactional strategies. They are experiences, language, pictorial presentation, and symbols. The first one is experiences. Providing lot of experiences with concrete objects like toys, learning aids, etc. is the key to start any new concept. The experiences at this stage should have strong linkage with the activities inside and outside the classrooms. The second one is language. Provide opportunities to all children to verbally describe their experiences and observations. During such discussion, children will develop language skills like framing questions, acquiring newer vocabulary and terminology related to the subject. For example, when a group of 5 stars is combined with another group of 3 stars, the total number got finally is 8. The third one is pictorial presentation. Involve children interpreting pictures and to find relevant information. Such pictures may even show a problem and its solutions. For example, here 5 stars are given and 3 stars given. Totally they make 8 stars. The fourth one is symbols. In the end, the children should be provided opportunities to represent the interpret information using symbols. For example, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Let us now see the learning outcomes of the topic, the area of rectangle. Let us now see learning outcomes. The students will be able to name some objects which are in rectangle shape, can identify rectangle shaped things from the given things, know area is a measurement of how much surface is covered, can measure the area of rectangle using graph or grid paper, can come to a conclusion that area of a rectangle is product of its length and breadth. Let us now discuss on the activities provided to the child. Activity 1. To check the experience of the child, let us first ask the child, what is the shape of this box? The students answer, it is rectangular, teacher. Can you say some more things in this classroom which are in the same shape? Students may answer, blackboard, door, window, bench, books and flank, etc. Activity 2. By showing the above picture, the teacher asks the students to identify the rectangular shapes and copy in their notebooks. By the above 2 activities, the students record the knowledge of rectangle. Activity 3. Calculate the area of the table. Ask the students to estimate how many maths textbooks are needed to cover the surface of the table. After collecting the responses, ask the children to cover the table with maths textbooks in such a way that there is no gap among the books and no overlapping. Now ask the children to record their responses in the below given table. What do we mean by area? Area means total space it occupies. Activity 4. Area of rectangle. Children, take a graph paper or grid paper. Draw a rectangle having 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter squares, whose length is 7 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeters. If we count like that, the rectangle covers 28 squares completely. Area of rectangle is 28 square centimeter. We can see that there are 7 squares in each row and there are 4 rows. This can be written as 7 into 4 squares, that is length into breadth is equal to 28 square centimeter. Thus, from the discussion and the results we can establish that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Assessment. Ask the children to find the area of the following figures. Rubrics. Self-assessment. We write here student's name and class. 4 levels are written here. Level 1, Level 2, Level 3 and Level 4. In Level 1, very good. Level 2 stands for good. Level 3, not bad. Level 4 means need some help. Topic. Under the topic, concept of area of rectangle, formula of area of rectangle, application in daily life situations. The NCF 2005 begins with a quotation from Tagore's essay Civilization and Progress, in which poet reminds us that a creative spirit and a generous joy are key in childhood, both of which can be distorted by an unthinking adult world. 3 recommendations of NCF 2005 related with mathematics education. Ability to think logically, formulate and handle abstractions rather than knowledge of mathematics, formulas and mechanical procedures is the main goal of teaching mathematics. The teaching of mathematics should enhance the child's ability to think and reason, to visualize and handle abstractions, to formulate and solve problems. Access to quality mathematics education is the right of every child. Vision for school mathematics. Children learn to enjoy mathematics rather than fear it. Children learn important mathematics. Mathematics is more than formula and mechanical procedures. Children see mathematics as something to talk about, to communicate through, to discuss among themselves, to work together on.